Another range we've got is the Purity range. Now this is for babies, children and people with sensitive skin. We have it certified by clinical pharmacologists and it can be used from birth, these products. So we've got the moisturising cream. This is good, say, for older people with sensitive skin, but if children have areas of skin that require a cream, then you can use this on those children. The main ingredients really are the marigold, the calendula extract and the aloe vera, which give you that soothing, enriching characteristic of this cream. So again, we've got the same oils and we've got borage oil in there as well. We've got a hand and body wash as well in this range, so again sensitive and can be used on babies from birth. So it's really, really fun to know that you're using a healthy, safe product in the bath. So again, this is gentle but effective cleansing. It gives a good lather. The detergents are based on plant-based ingredients, which are very biodegradable. We use 100% plant-based ingredients derived from things like coconut, sunflower oil, and also chicory root, which is very conditioning and moisturising. So that's going to replace the lipid layer of the skin while you're cleansing.